Hey there, everyone. Are you looking for a solution on where you can store your tape measures or maybe a knife or just anything that you have laying around your shop that has a clip on the back of it? Well, let me give you a quick and easy solution how to store those items just using a ruler. Let's get fancy. All right, as you can see here, this is my work table. I have everything kind of in its home and hung on the back pegboard. However, I have my tape measure and a knife that I really don't have a home for. So let's go ahead and solve that. We're going to hang that right over here by my extension cords. Okay, so what I have here is my drill. I also have my set of drill bits here that I need to drill another hole into my ruler. And then I have a scrap piece of wood here that I can put my ruler on so that way I'm not drilling holes into my workbench. So what we're going to do first is I have my 2 screws that I'm going to use to drill into my work table. And so I need to drill another hole into the ruler. As you can see, this ruler came with 1 hole, but I'm going to need to drill another one over here on this side so that way I can mount it onto my work table. Now, you can use, the best ruler to use is a metal ruler. A plastic ruler would probably break, and then a wooden ruler would be too thick for a tape measure, the clip to clip onto the back of it. So a metal one is both thin and sturdy, and so it's your best option to use. So what you're going to want to do is find a drill bit that's going to be smaller than the head of your screw. In my case, it's going to be a 1/4-inch drill bit. So what I'm going to do before I drill that hole is take a measurement. And this is really simple to do. All you have to do is place your ruler right up to your workstation or where you're going to put it, and then make a mark where you want to drill that hole. It does not have to be precise. You're just drilling a hole to mount it on your work table. All right, we're going to go ahead and drill that hole now. Okay, well, now that we have that hole drilled and we have a hole on either side of that ruler, let's go ahead and put it to the work table and mark where we would like to place it. All right, I placed the mark on my work table where I want to place it, so now I'm going to drill a few holes in there just to make it easier for the screws to go into. All right, it really is that simple. And now we have a place to store our tape measures. And I have a place to store my knife. And there you have it. It is really that simple. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll have a few more tricks for you. Until next time. Well, that was really quick and easy.